Friends, I am Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel Little Ellys Sewing. Today I am showing an unboxing video and first look of my new backdrop that I have purchased from an online store called Artista Pop Shop. I have an online store on Instagram and I sell mainly kids clothes and accessories. I needed a good backdrop for my store. So this one is a 5 into 6 feet canvas backdrop. There are fabric and polyfabric versions of varying size available and the price depends on the version. I chose this particular pattern to have a whitish background for my photographs. The purchase and delivery was very prompt and I received it in a nicely packaged parcel as you can see in the video. Now on to testing my backdrop. I'm placing a dress I made for my 3-year-old daughter. Excuse the wrinkles, and here I can show you the end result. Okay, so what I didn't like or was not expecting, I was expecting the lines to be closer or the wooden slates to be closer. Also, I was not fully satisfied with the print quality, but it looks good in photos. I paid 4,500 for this canvas. Thank you for watching.